In this tutorial, I am going to show you best ReShade. Okay, so first, go to any web browser and then kindly type ReShade. And this is the first site that will appear. So what you're going to do is click that. And it will take you directly to this. And all you have to do is to tap this purple button here that says download. Tap this one. And then it will take you to this page. Now you have two options here. You just have to click the first one. Tap this one. And then it will show up here that it is now starting to download. So all you have to do is to click at the folder, go to the folder, and then run this as administrator. Okay, tap run as administrator, and you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, once done, open and look for GTA 5. If you can't find it, you can click this browse and go to that folder and then look for GTA 5. Go to Epic Games and look for GTA 5 and kindly tap GTA 5 application once you open this folder. Okay, and then after that, you just have to click this DirectX, the second one. Then click next. Now you can skip to this part and then kindly uncheck all and then check all again and then click next and wait as it is processing. Now, once done, all you have to do is to click finish. And actually, in order for you to download some samples of Crosshair, you have to join this server. This is what we call Fuzz's family. All you have to do is to go to the site and then follow some instructions there in order for you to download samples of Crosshair. And once you follow their instruction, you can now download samples of Crosshair here. Suppose that you have seen sample of Crosshair. What you're going to do is to simply right click and save that image. So for example, you have save an image from this server, okay, Discord community or channel. What you're going to do is simply open your folder and locate your local disk, go to programs, and then go to Epic Games, and then kindly look for GTA file folder, and then kindly go to reshade shaders and go to textures. And what you're going to do is simply drag or paste that image here. Actually, if you have tons of crosshair samples, you will see it here under textures, but since I don't have one, okay, so what you're going to do is simply save the image that you got from this Discord server or channel. Okay, so now let's go on to ReShade. Okay, so you can also download ReShade here. You just have to go to the search icon to find that. But of course, again, you have to read some instructions here in order for you to get that or to avail that. And then once you download that, you can now go to your local disk again, go to program files, and then create a new folder here. And you can name that as ReShade. And then here, what you're going to do is to simply paste or drag that reshade that you have downloaded from this Discord server. Okay, and then once done, you can now open your 5M, and if you go to your home, you can see their options, and under some options there, you can see the reshade and samples of the crosshair that you have downloaded from this server. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.